Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best folding electric bike under $1,000. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Hemo. Z20's deliberate compact design allows for easy folding, storage and transportability. Z20's innovative built-in battery box is closely connected to the body for space efficiency, while its lightweight aluminum frame perfectly matches its inner wirings to create an elegant visage. The removable battery is equipped with 10 ampere-hour of power for lasting energy output and the ability to ride 50 miles or 80 kilometers on one charge. Simple 3-step folding. Just unlatch the Z20 single-coat easy lock system on the frame and handlebar stem and you're ready to go. Hemo Z20 is equipped with a Shimano 6-speed transmission system for fast and reliable gear adjustment. Number 4. Brand name, Onkir. Onkir 26-inch folding electric bike for adults adopts a foldable aluminum frame, which is easy to fold, and the compact folded size can fit into the trunk of most cars. Whether used as a mountain bike, commuter bike, cruising bike, trekking bike, or hiking bike, lightweight and foldable features will give you great convenience. Double hand brakes ensure your safety, thick and durable tires, 7-speed control, double shock absorption. It can even be folded so you can easily put it in the trunk of your car. It is easier to use than ordinary folding, and the folding installation speed is fast, and the whole process takes only 3 steps. The powerful 36-volt or 350-watt motor provides the best performance under pneumatic tires, adapting to more bumps, no pressure 25 degrees climb. Anti-skid anti-vibration tires, wear-resistant anti-skid tread and high-quality shock absorber to help you unimpeded. The battery pack is the core of the electric bicycle. It uses an advanced 8 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery pack. Excellent battery life is not afraid of high load and durability. With LED headlight, suitable for safe cycling at night, 7-speed shifter, good operation feel, responsive. Onkir folding electric mountain bike is equipped with a durable lithium-ion battery. The detachable design avoids the risk of theft and makes charging more convenient. Only 4 to 6 hours per charge, the powerful energy-saving system can meet your daily commute or a day of mountain climbing. The adjustable seat and handlebar make the electric bicycle suits most adult men and women. The 2 modes can be switched at will through the LED smart meter, which is easy to operate. The powerful and stable motor can quickly start up to 20 miles per hour. The range is around 50 miles in pedal assist mode and around 25 miles in all-electric mode. Of course, it can also be used as a normal bicycle. Number 3. Brand name, Sun Bike. 350-watt high-speed motor with brushless power system, output 50 torque and strong power. Power your life with maximum speed 25 to 30 kilometers per hour. Enjoy effortless riding experience even at 15 degrees uphill. High efficiency conversion, energy saving, quick climb, low noise during operation, strong anti-electronic interference ability and anti-vibration performance. It easily folds in 3 steps in just seconds. Just fold the frame and the stern. It is a good helper for daily commuting. Number 2. Brand name, Zangbu. Zangbu bike adopts magnesium alloy material light frame and 3rd integral molding process. To ensure the continuity of magnesium alloy fiber structure and smooth line integrity, the whole frame is more stable without welding. Magnesium is about 2/3 as heavy as aluminum, make the bike more lightweight overall. The maximum speed of the 400-watt brushless motor can reach 21 miles per hour. Concealed battery, built-in frame, waterproof and anti-theft, detachable charging. Can charge mobile phone, making travel more convenient. Number 1. Brand name, Cordless. Smart brushless overcurrent protection, twist throttle with 3-indicator light. Easy to operate, high sensitivity and long service life. Adjustable lockout suspension fork, suitable for different road conditions. Speed display, battery indicator, aluminum alloy frame, waterproof design. Fine workmanship, easy maintenance, long service life. No longer afraid of the dark, safer riding at night. Horn and headlight are integrated. Removable lithium battery, can be charged at home or in office. Shift gear smoothly, the chain will not drop or jam. Long-term high-speed operation will not be damaged. Aluminum alloy pedal, durable and non-slip. Fine workmanship, high operating efficiency, convenient maintenance and long service life.